you have it.
American 1155.
So 18 super traffic is on the 8 mile funnel. There will be switching to the inboard. Approximate equivalent, heavy board, 707 departed the tail off. Runway 25 left, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, runway 25 left, radio 201 chassis.
Okay. American 1155 will reduce the final approach speed, please.
And final approach speed, American 1155. We got the runway inside, American 1155.
American 1165, your step on, you do have it in sight.
Inside, American 1155.
Thank you so much. American 1165, chase 2, runway 25 right, clear visual approach, runway 25 right, clear to land.
Clear visual, 25 right, American 1155, clear line.
That's 5296, entire runway 25 left, continue, super Airbus A380 holding position, report the field in sight, may switch you to the airborne. The 91, turn right at Mike, right on Bravo, contact ground point 75.
Mike Bravo, point 75, and have it
Super with 24017, got 25, runway 25 left, there's takeoff.
We have takeoff, put in decent post.
Got 5296, approximate equivalent, super Airbus A380 is departing. Runway 24017, got 25, runway 25 left, there's to land. You're still close to line runway 25 left, Scout 5296. 18 super, contact